guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Apex files in Windows 8.1. So some of you might have had difficulties doing this, so I'm just going to show you a very simple way to do it. And as you can see, I have installed a few Apex files in the past, so yeah, and I've just done it all using this guide and show you how to do it. So a few things I need to mention first before we get started is, first of all, you have to have all the updates, the mandatory ones, installed. Just forget about the optional ones. All you need is the mandatory ones, and make sure that your Windows 8.1 machine is fully up to date as much as possible. Then you also need to make sure that side loading is enabled using this application called Metro Unlocker. And once you want to enable it, make sure you also take all of this, then press unlock. And this is, by the way, for Pro as well, which I'm doing. I mean, you can do it on any, I think. So don't think you're just limited to doing it on the embedded edition of Windows 8.1 Tom. I will put all of this inside of my Discord server, and you guys can just join it and download it all from there. And what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to be showing you where you can get these Apex from. So there's this place in archive.org, which I will also put in the description. So when you click on the link, it looks like this. If you want the app that you're really looking for, just press show all. Go to original Apex and find the app that you want based on its category. But I've already installed the app that I wanted, which is Amazon in this case. So once you've downloaded that, extract it, and then what you want to do is you get something like this. It's either an Apex file or an Apex bundle file. Then what you need to do is drag this Apex bundle or Apex file onto WS App UKGINS. Then simply just let it install. You might believe that it's done, but no, it's not done, because if I go and open it now, it's not going to work, as you can see. So what we need to do to fix this issue is we need to do the following. So first of all, you need to go to this path, which is C Program Files Windows Apps. Now when you try and go here, it might block you from going in it, so you need to take ownership of this folder before you go in here. But I've already done it, so once you're inside, you will find every folder relating to every Metro app that's inside of the system. Find the one that you just installed, which is Amazon in this case. Some applications might have two folders, some of them might have one. For example, Adobe Reader has one, but Amazon, for example, has two. Now that's fine. What you need to do is you need to find the one where everything is contained in. So it's not this one, it's gotta be this one then. Now what you need to do is copy the path of this one, and then go to WS App BAK folder, open this, click right here, press edit and paste. Then remove the quotation marks, otherwise it's not going to register. And then it asks you for an output path. Now the output path is here, which is already provided, but for each Apex you install, I suggest you make different output folders. For example, for another app you want to install, call it output 1, and so on and so forth, so to prevent mixing up Apex files, to keep it all more organized. So we're just going to copy that, and then it's the same again, just remove the quotation marks from the path so it registers it, and it's going to create it. So when it wants you to make a password, create one, otherwise don't know what's going to happen, just make one, be on the safe side. And make sure you don't forget it as well, otherwise you have to start it all again from the point where you copy the path into here. Okay, so now it's done. Now what you can do is, because it's done, you can go back to this path here. You see the new Apex, then you can simply go back to here and delete the old Apex, and then just drag this back here, and it should work now. I doubt this Amazon is going to work in 2025. Fine, we'll let it run in the background. Yeah, it works, but I mean, Amazon wasn't a good example, because like, what are you gonna do with a 10-year-old Amazon, right? But as you can see, yeah, I mean, we can do anything here now. So I really hope that that was helpful. If you've got any questions, you can just comment it down below or in my Discord server. Like I've said, everything that you will need for this is going to be inside of the Discord server. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.